In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to install SiteKrafter. So since SiteKrafter is a Divi child theme, you need to have Divi installed. So here in my example, I already have Divi installed. So the next thing you need to do is to go to your admin dashboard by coming over here. Scroll all the way down here to your plugins. Click on Add New. So now you need to upload the plugin that you downloaded, which is the SiteKrafter 2 plugin. So I'm going to click here on Upload. So I know my file is on my desktop. So I'm going to navigate here to my desktop, and here it is. So this is just a single file. You don't need to open it. All you need to do is to double click on it and then click on Install Now. Okay, next you need to click on Activate Plugin. And now you're going to see an entry just below Divi here which says SiteKrafter 2. Next you need to click over here. We're going to scroll all the way down here to the bottom and then click on Begin Site Import. This takes a bit of time to install, so just be patient. And now it has been installed. Okay, so I'm going to scroll all the way down here. What you're looking for is to make sure you have all these check marks. Okay, so now that we've installed SiteKrafter, the next step now is to take a look at our website. So I'm going to open my site in the new tab. And now we can see that we have a fully functioning website. So all our designs have been imported. And here we also have our basic pages, our About Us page, the services page, and so on. So now that we've checked that our site is working, the next step now is to go ahead and delete the plugin. So I'm going to come back over here to plugins, find SiteKrafter 2, click on deactivate, and then delete. I'm going to delete that. So you may notice that now you have these plugins that we have installed by default. So Anti-Spam B is for your blog. It stops your spam. Next, we have Breeze. This is our caching plugin. We also have Fluent Forms. This is our Forms plugin. Fluent CRM is for our email marketing automation, and Rank Math is for SEO. Okay, so next, let me show you where you can quickly go in and make changes to your website. So if you want to make changes to your actual pages, you just click on Enable Visual Builder, and then you can just go in and start editing your website. Just as easy as that. Next, if you want to add your color palette, this is where it would come. You click here on Divi, click on Theme Options, and this is where your color palette is. So this is where you want to go in and update your color palette. And then once you've done that, click on Save Changes. Next, let's say you want to change your fonts. This is where you need to come. You click here on Appearance and then go to Customize, or you can click Customize from here. So to access your fonts, you want to click here on General, click on Typography, and then you can just come over here and change your fonts. So let's say you want to change this to a Brill Fat Face, for example. You can see now that our font here for our headings has been updated. And this is going to update pretty much across your whole website, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to close out of here. Next, let's say you want to change your templates. So what you want to do is to come over here to Divi, click on Theme Builder. So this is where you have all your templates. So if you want to change the blog layout, this is where it would come. You click over here and then you can just edit it as normal in the Divi Builder. So whatever changes you make here to this template is going to be applied across your whole website, wherever that template is used. Okay, now let's move on to the next part. And this is very, very important. This is when adding blog posts onto your website. So to do that, you want to come over here to Posts and then click on Add New. So let's say this post here is post 5. Now what you want to do here is not to use the Divi Builder for this, because we have already created a template for it in our theme builder. So what you want to do is to click on Default Editor, and now you can add your text. So I'm going to come over here and enter my text. And if I need to make any text a heading, all I have to do is to highlight it like that, and then click on this little item here and then choose heading. Now over here on the right, we can actually choose what type of heading we want, small, medium, or large. So I'm going to go with medium. And let's say you want to add some images in here. You can just add your images by adding a /, and then this shows all your modules. And then I'm going to choose image. So I already have images in my media library. So let me choose this one here and then click on select. And now my image has been added. Next, you also want to come over here to the right and make sure you click on post. And this is where now we want to add this to a category. So if you have your categories all set, now right now I have latest and uncategorized. I'm going to choose latest. And then finally, I need to add my featured image. And then I'm going to select my featured image here. Now I have one on my computer. So I'm going to go to upload, and it's here in my downloads. Select my image and then set my featured image. Okay. Next, you want to hit publish one more time. And now if I click on view posts, you're going to notice that it's going to have a similar structure to pretty much all our blog posts. So here we have this image here in the background. We have our title. We have our blog category here. We also have our heading. Our image here is in place. And we also have our related posts and so on. So I'm also putting together a course for SiteKrafter just to show you in depth how you can go in and further customize it. So that course is absolutely free for you because you've purchased SiteKrafter. So all you have to do is to head over to the link that I've provided in the description below. All right. Thank you very much for watching, and please do leave me also a review for SiteKrafter. And also if you have any questions, you can directly send me emails. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.